So everyone has joined. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
everyone has
So
joined. Yes, now am
So
I
I think
audible?
there are few who haven't joined yet.
What?
So there are few people who haven't joined yet.
Okay, okay. So let's wait for 5 more minutes and then I'll start. Um, Before starting, I would like to say that today I'll just take 1 hour of class, and 1 hour I'll be giving you an assignment in this group. You will have to solve, and there is also a coding portion. Okay, so you need to do the code and you need to show me in this class itself. Okay, so I'll be giving you 1 hour's time. You'll solve it and you will show it in this class. Okay, and even within 1 hour, if you are unable to finish it, then of course you can mail it so that I will check it out. uh, and in this way, actually, I'll be assessing you, because it's as I have said previously, that it's very important for me to know how much you have learned the things, how you are taking the things. So definitely I'll be assessing you with the assignments that I'm going to give you today for 1 hour. And 1 hour I'll be giving you the materials required through my of course through codings and all. Okay, so in this way I'll be doing the class. Okay.
excuse me, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, anyone is saying anything?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Sir, there's an error with my camera. So can I send you the picture of the code on your mail or anything else? Anywhere else?
No, I'll be giving you an assignment. Okay, listen,
Okay, sir.
I'll be giving you a Word document. Okay, I'll be giving you a Word document. You have in a Word document you will be solving all the answers. Okay, and you will be
Okay.
mailing it to me. And I will be giving you that Word document. Okay, where I'll have mentioned my email ID, where
Yes,
to
sir.
send your assignments. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'm saying that my camera has something error. So I will share you the pictures or the or code on your mail.
It has nothing to do with your camera or something. Okay, but you are saying that regarding the sharing of that code and all, while assessing you.
Yes, sir. I'm joining the meeting from my phone and I can't share my screen. That's why I'm saying.
Okay, fine. Let's not. Otherwise, the things are going to get complicated. It's better you share the document in. I'm saying it to all. You better keep on sharing the assignments in my mail. Okay,
Yes, sir. That's good.
it's better not
Yes,
to
sir.
share the screen, because what will happen is individually assessing each and everyone will take a lot of time. So it's
Yes, sir. Yes,
better
sir.
you send me your assignments in my mail.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. That's
and
fine.
be very careful. And another thing I'm mentioning, please do not try to copy the things from internet, because if you do this, I'll be readily catching you, because I have a plagiarism checker in my machine installed. So I'll be using that to assess. Okay, so please do make sure that you don't copy paste the things from internet and all. So please, whatever you have learned from the previous class, the questions are also have been organized in that manner. So please try to, you know, jot down the things by yourself, whatever things you remember. From there, keep on, you jot down the things in your answer script. Okay. So please do not, do this thing of, do not do this mistake of copy pasting from the internet, because I have a plagiarism checker in my machine. So be very careful. There are 20 people in this batch, or more than that.
So more than that.
Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes more, then I'll be starting the session.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. This is Saurabh.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, where to do the assignment?
I'll be sending you the assignment in this group. Okay. Um, so from the, you will see the questions. Okay, you will solve it in your desktop, or okay, you will be solving it in your desktop with a Microsoft this Word document. Okay. And after the answer gets written, I have given my mail ID. I'll be sending you that document. Okay, don't worry, everything has been mentioned. Okay.
Okay.
In that document, I have mentioned my email ID also. There you will be sending your Word documents. You will solve the answer in your Word documents and you will send it in my email ID. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I hope everyone has joined. I can't wait anymore because otherwise I'm going to get late. So let's start. Okay. So today we will start with the use of strip function. Yesterday I have forgotten to mention there is also an use of another important function, okay, which you can use for actually for reducing the spaces, for removing the spaces, sorry, for removing the spaces between the strings, or you can say for removing the spaces between the strings. Whatever you are writing in a string, if there is a space, you can use the strip function, okay, for removing the space. Okay, so strip function basically works in this way. Follow me. Okay, so suppose if I declare a string and if I mention say certain space, okay, if I give a certain space between my string, okay, in my string, and then if I want to see, if you want to print this, okay, print this particular string, you notice that the output which you are getting here, I have mentioned given a string name gedf, just a random string. Okay, now if I want to print this string, you notice that in the output section there is a 3 space difference, okay, 3 space gap, and after that the string gedf has been written. Okay, is it clear? Now when I use this strip function, what basically strip function does, it removes the space in my string. Okay, so notice when I use this strip function, sorry, okay, notice that my output is being printed without these 3 spaces. Okay, I have given a 3 space gap, okay, at the starting and at the ending. Okay, now when I have printed it, you can see that the output has been printed after 3 space of difference. Okay, now when I am using this strip function, then what is happening is my space between the string is being eliminated. Okay, and that is how the strip function is working. Is it clear? So you can use this strip function in Python, so whenever you want to go for elimination of any space between the strings. Okay, please write down, strip is an inbuilt function in Python programming language that returns a copy. Have you written? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That returns a copy of the string with both leading and trailing characters removed. With both leading and trailing characters removed. Based on the in within brackets, right? Based on the string argument passed. Okay. Now you can jot down this Python script which I have written in my Jupyter notebook. Okay. Sometimes you are sometimes what happens is in interviews you are asked with these questions: what is the use of strip function in Python? Okay, so strip function is, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Write down this piece of code which I have given in my Jupyter notebook. After completion you tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay, everyone done now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, I have a question.
so this is, yes,
So it does not remove spaces if it is in between the characters, if it is in between the letters.
in between the letters, whenever you are writing a string, Suppose whenever you are writing your name, okay, do you want to separate it? No, na. Okay, so here you observe, I have given space. Suppose had I given a string over here, then space, and then after this GDEF. So by using the strip function, what happens is between the words, actually, the between the words, what happens is when I use the strip function, the words, the space which are there between the words, that is being eliminated by the use of strip function. Now, am I clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now there is a new thing. Now moving to the string formatting. Now, anyone has any idea what does this word formatting means? What do you mean by formatting?
Formatting means you have to write a particular message in a particular way. This is called formatting. So just like this, my name is Orkojit. So you have to write it. My name is Orkojit. You have to place all those words in a particular way. This is called formatting.
Yes. So basically, you have to put in a certain arrangement so that you can receive the data in a proper orientation manner, in an oriented manner. That is what you call as formatting. Okay. So. So write down the format method. The format method formats the specified values and insert them inside the strings placeholder. The placeholder is defined using curly braces, or you can say brackets. Okay, curly brackets. Better you write brackets. The placeholder is defined using curly brackets. Now the syntax basically, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So syntax, write down syntax string dot format value 1, comma value 2, like this way. Okay. So this is, wait, I am writing over here so that you can check it out. In this way, this is the syntax string dot format value 1, comma value 2. Okay. Now prepare a column parameter description. Parameter description. Parameter on left side, just like the way you write difference. Parameter description. Okay. Within parameter, under parameter write value 1. Value 1. Now under description write required 1 or more values that should be formatted and inserted in the string. Have you written?
Can you please repeat, sir? One time.
What?
Can you please repeat it? Line
Up to how much you have written?
description.
You have written parameter description, right?
Yeah.
Parameter description. Under parameter write value 1, value 2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And under description write required 1 or more values that should be formatted and inserted in the string. Just hold on, huh? Our phone is coming. Yes, one or more values that should be formatted and inserted in the string. The values can be a number specifying the position of the element. The values can be a number specifying the position of the element you want to remove. Written?
Sir, can you repeat after specifying?
The position of the element you want to remove. The position of the element you want to remove. The values are either a list of values separated by commas. The values are either a list of values separated by commas, comma, a key equal to value list, or a combination of both. The values can be of any data type. Okay. The values can be of any data type. After you have written, tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So follow me what I'm doing. String formatting, it is very important. Okay. Suppose now what happens in string formatting basically in Python, if you want to mention certain details, okay, it is basically used during the creation of database and all. When you will go for learning higher things on Python, then it is used in databases basically. Okay, so whenever you want to insert the elements, okay, whenever you want to insert certain values at a in the placeholders are the places which are mentioned in your curly braces. Okay, curly braces, you will be mentioning all the value, you want all the values to be put over there. It will be much more clear when I do the coding. Okay, suppose if you want to take if you want to print marks, name and age. Okay, suppose if you want to say print the age of the students, marks and name, okay, into the places, into the placeholders. Okay, so for this you need to use a string formatting. Okay, now age, suppose I have taken an age of a student, say 25. Okay, marks say 67.8, name say any name, I do just a random name, BC. Okay, see, you can see here clearly. Now I have within the placeholders, you can see these are the placeholders. Okay, follow my cursor very carefully. These are what we are calling as the placeholders. Okay, now in databases, during the creation of if you want to create in databases, what you do basically, you put the values, okay, in any orientation, right? So in three different places, suppose I am mentioning age, name and marks. In these places I want to put my values. Okay, say age of a person, marks and name. Okay, in suppose any examination system, okay, you want to put the name, marks and age of the student. So with this format function you can put all the data, okay, all the data in particular placeholders or in a particular value places. Okay, like age, name and marks, these have been mentioned sequentially. Okay, age, name and marks, and in the format function, with the use of this format function, I go for writing the age, name and marks sequentially. Okay, just the way the placeholders have been placed respectively. Okay, has been displayed have been displayed respectively. So with the use of format function, okay, I will be mentioning all the data sequentially. I will be putting all the values sequentially, and I will be putting them in the particular placeholders respectively. You can see here, after format function, I have written age because first I have my age written over here. Next, I have written name. Since I have the name in the second position, so I have written the name after age. Then marks is mentioned in the third position, so I have mentioned the marks at the last position in the format function. So all the data gets put into places, put into the placeholders. This is what you are calling as the placeholders sequentially. Okay, sequentially you are you are mentioning the placeholders value. Okay, and sequentially all the data which I have mentioned one after another, age, marks and name, they gets put sequentially with the use of format function. Okay, it is basically used, you can use this in the databases whenever you want to use for putting the values in databases. So you can use this format function. Is it clear? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now come to next thing, escape characters. Now whenever you are creating any, now what happens in escape characters, do you know what happens in escape characters? What do you mean by escape characters? Anyone has any idea?
Sir, escape character means a backslash, slash in.
Other more answers? Anyone else?
We use it when
Anyone else having an
we write a new space character or gives tab space. So we write a certain string.
So escape characters basically means whenever you want to remove any kind of illegal characters. Okay, so for that escape characters come into picture. Follow. And basically how we do it with the implementation of backslash. Okay, so suppose I am taking a, say, a value a, and I'm mentioning a string. Okay, now it basically comes into picture with string most probably. Okay, mostly, sorry, with whenever you are using any string, so this kind of illegal character, any kind of illegal character implementation will lead to errors. Okay, so by the use of this backslash or so called as escape characters, you can remove the errors. Okay, in a string. So suppose I declare a string, say this is a string. Okay,
पापा का बेटा का शादी है तैयार होके जाएंगे
please mute yourself.
अब इस शादी में वैसे ही जाते हैं वो अब भाभी के साथ
Who is this?
कर रहे हो
Mute yourself. See, please mute yourself. Okay, so you can see here that whenever you go for declaring a string with illegal characters, see ABC has been mentioned here. The host, Shalu Kumari. Shalu Kumari, mute yourself. What is this? So you can see very clearly that whenever you are declaring any string within a string, okay, with this double quotation sign. Suppose I am declaring the string starting with quotes, okay, and ending with also double quotes, and within that also I am declaring another string ABC within double quotes. So what will happen had you used a single quote over here, na? Then also it would have been correct. But as I have mentioned another string with the use of double quote, so what is happening is it is showing invalid syntax because I have introduced an illegal character over here. So in order to prevent this, you can use escape characters. Okay, so I'm removing this issue by the introduction of backslash. Okay, that is what you are calling as the escape characters. Okay, see, now my issue has been resolved, okay, by the introduction of a escape character. Okay, so this is how you can use the escape character, and you can remove any sort of errors which comes in your string. Okay, so this is how your escape character works. Okay, now moving to certain other methods as well. Okay, now there is another function which is called, okay, so take down a certain note. In Python strings, the backslash is a special character, also called the escape character.
Can you please repeat?
In Python strings, the backslash is a special character, also called the escape character. It is used in representing certain white space characters with /t or /n or /r. /t, okay, within bracket you write tab /n new line and /r as carriage return. Okay, so these are this is a very simple things you should keep in your mind whenever you are working actually. Now next is the use of capitalize function. Okay, now capitalize function, what does it do? It converts the capital letter. Okay, so please write down capitalize function, the use of a capitalize method. Okay, the use of capitalize method, under that you write down capitalize converts the first letter of the string converts the first letter of the string into capital letter. Okay, so follow. Have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so follow what happens over here in capitalize method. Suppose I declare a string. Okay, okay, okay. So follow what happens. The first letter of the string here, Mumbai is my string. The first letter of my string Mumbai M gets converted into capital letter. From the small m gets converted into my capital M. Okay. So this is what happens in case of capitalize. So notice the difference what happens in case of capitalize and upper and lower case. Okay, what happens in uppercase, all the letters will be. So what is the differentiation, what is the difference between capitalization and your uppercase? What is the difference between capitalized method and what is the difference between the use of upper method? Okay, in upper method all the letters of a string will be capitalizing. Okay, that happens in case of upper method. But in capitalize, in this method, what actually happens, the first letter of the string will only capitalize, otherwise the rest all the letters will remain same. Okay, here umbai in Mumbai, except umbai, all the letters are in small letters. Okay, except m, which is turning from small letter to capital letter. So capitalize only converts the first letter into capital letter, okay, of your string. So remember this. This is the difference actually between these are the questions, certain small questions which are often asked during your interviews, that what is the difference between the capitalized method and what is the difference between the usage of capitalized method and upper method. Okay, so remember this one very carefully. These are the certain negligible difference you must notice always. Okay, now there is another method. Okay, uppercase to lowercase conversion. Okay, now you know that you can use upper and lower, but if you want to convert a string which is there in the upper which is there in the in block letters. Okay, suppose one letter notice here. Okay, suppose I am having a value x, okay, which is having all the letters in the string. Okay, which is storing a string abc with all the letters in capital letters. So obviously this is in uppercase, right? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to convert this entire all the letters which are there in the uppercase into lowercase, okay. So I can use case fold method. In that case I can use case fold method. Whenever you want to convert a string from uppercase to lowercase directly, you can use case fold method. Okay, so please write down, take a note of this, that case fold converts, we can use case fold, better to write, we can use case fold when we want to convert uppercase to when we want to convert switching off upper and, or you can write switching off a string from uppercase to lowercase. Okay, switching off a string from uppercase to lowercase directly. Okay, so I can use this case fold method. You can see, so what is happening is, you can see all the letters which were there in my uppercase, that is getting converted into lowercase directly. Okay, so this is how I can use the case fold method. Okay,
Sir, lower method is also the same, isn't it?
Actually, I haven't checked this one, but still, I can give you a note clearly if I once observe this. Okay. Because there are a lot of things are there. Lot of things are there where you need to research. No, it doesn't do. See, it remains the same. If I'm not wrong, yes. If it is in lowercase, it will be same. It will be same. When you want to convert any uppercase to lowercase, not the vice versa. Okay, if you the thing which you are telling, see, I have done in my code and shown you. Okay,
So,
see, yes.
sir, dot lower method also do the same thing now.
No. I'm see, lower method, yes, definitely it also does. But whenever you want to convert uppercase, ঠিক আছে, just you understand Bengali?
No, sir.
Okay. जब तुम सारे लेटर्स है ना स्ट्रिंग का, जितने सारे लेटर्स है स्ट्रिंग के, अगर सब कैपिटल में रहता है, जैसा एबीसी में देखो, एबीसी में क्या है, ये तुम्हारा अपर केस में ही है ना, राइट? Because all
Yes,
the
sir.
letters in the string is in capital, right? Now
Yes, sir.
whenever you use the case fold, then it is converting all the letters simultaneously into small letters. Okay, that is, it is changing from uppercase directly to lowercase. Now what happens in case of in this second case, observe in the line 8. Okay, this one where I am pointing my cursor, when my x is having the value of x equals small abc. Okay, when the string is of small abc, and when I'm using this case fold, the thing is remaining same. It is not converting this into the uppercase. It is not converting the lowercase letters into uppercase.
Achha,
Case
sir.
fold will not do the conversion. Okay,
Hello,
will
sir.
not do the conversion for lowercase. Yes.
Sir, this is Orkojit, sir.
Yes.
স্যার আপনি বললেন যে এই আপার কেসটা কি বলে কেস ফোল্ড দিয়ে করলে শুধুমাত্র আপার কেস থেকে লোয়ার কেসে হবে, লোয়ার কেস থেকে আপার কেস হবে না। তাহলে আমি কেস ফোল্ড ইউজ করতে যাবো কেন? তার থেকে তো আমি কি বলে লোয়ার ইউজ করতে পারি, ডট ডট যেটা আপার মানে ডট লোয়ার, সেটা ইউজ করলে তো ডাইরেক্টলি চলে আসে। তাহলে কেস ফোল্ড ইউজ করার দরকার আছে?
There are lot of functions. There are a lot of functions, but still you need to have a knowledge, right? But what happened? No. Listen. One thing. Listen. One thing. What happens in case of case fold? You have to learn it because there are a lot of methods, right? There are a lot of methods which also plays the same function sometimes, but still, जानते तो कोनो खोती नहीं, right? That is what I am saying. There is no limitations to knowledge. So if you want to learn the things,
মানে কেস ফোল্ডে যেটা আছে
yes, definitely I accept your point. Yes, definitely I accept your point, but still, knowing the things, there is no limitations to knowledge. So it's better when you are learning these things.
স্যার
So you
এমন
can,
কোনো মেথড নেই
get
যে
all these
একটা লাগালে অপোজিট হয়ে যাবে, মানে একটা মেথড লাগালে যেটা বড় আছে সেটা ছোট হয়ে যাবে, যেটা ছোট আছে সেটা বড় হয়ে যাবে, এরকম কোনো মেথড নেই?
আপার কেস এন্ড লোয়ার কেস তো করে
ভাইস ভার্সা
সেটা।
হয়ে যাবে, মানে যদি আপার কেস থাকে তাহলে লোয়ার কেস হয়ে যাবে, লোয়ার কেস থাকলে আপার কেস হয়ে যাবে, একটাই মেথড হবে, এরকম কোনো নেই? এখানে যেমন দুটো আলাদা হচ্ছে, আপার লাগাচ্ছে লোয়ার লাগাচ্ছে, অথবা কেস ফোল্ড লাগাচ্ছে।
আমি তো দেখিনি না, অনেক আছে। তুমি বলছো, দাঁড়াও এক সেকেন্ড, তোমাকে আমি একটা মেথড দেখাচ্ছি যেখানে ইউ ক্যান ওয়েট জাস্ট আ সেকেন্ড, হোল্ড। ডাইরেক্টর এক সেকেন্ড। ডিরেক্টরিতে গেলে অনেক কিছু থাকে, ঠিক আছে? ডিরেক্টরিতে আমি এটা, তুমি আমাকে এটা বলেছো তো, ইউ হ্যাভ সেড মি, আই উইল বি কিপিং আ ট্র্যাক অফ দিস। ইটস আ ভেরি গুড ইস্যু ইউ হ্যাভ রেজড, যে ভাইস ভার্সা করা যায় কিনা, আই উইল স্টিল লুক আউট। ওকে, বাট অ্যাজ ফার অ্যাজ মাই নলেজ ইজ কনসার্ন, I still don't know that there is any cases or functions which can directly convert into will convert lowercase to upper and upper to lower. That is the vice versa function will be done at one go. That is still not known to me, but still I have
স্যার
to
রিয়েল
research it
পাইথনে
out.
পেয়ে যাবো স্যার, realpython.com এ পেয়ে যাবো এটা যদি সার্চ করি?
দেখো ডিরেক্টরিতে কি কি থাকে,
না
ডিরেক্টরিতে
না না,
অনেক
আমি বলছি
ফাংশন থাকে।
realpython.com, এটা ওয়েবসাইট একটা, যেমন python.org আছে,
আচ্ছা।
যেমন realpython.com আছে,
হুম, হুম, হুম।
যেখানে ইয়েটা
দেখো
দেখাচ্ছে।
একবার ওখানে দেখো,
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে ঠিক
দেখো
আছে।
একবার সার্চ করে
Orkojit,
যদি
this is Somuk sir here, Orkojit and Santan.
Sir, it will
Yes.
be better if everyone speaks in English, sir. We also
Yeah,
need to understand
as
everything.
I said earlier
Okay, okay,
also,
okay, okay.
Orkojit, you will be fired otherwise, okay?
ওকে
If you
ওকে
do
স্যার,
not maintain this protocol, then I bound to be, take any step.
ওকে ওকে।
So please maintain the decorum and, please
Okay,
let
so
let the developer continue the sessions. Okay, thank you, Santan.
okay, so if you want to, there is a directory function. You can use it to find out lot and lot of there are lots and lots of functions which are there in Python. Actually, you cannot you have knowledge about all the functions because there are lots and lots of functions involved for every languages, whether you call it Python, for C, C++, Java, everything. Okay, so whatever the things that comes into picture I am showing you, the the functions actually which will be coming into your play while developing your codes and all. Okay, so that I am showing you basically. Otherwise there are lots and lots of functions to learn. Okay,
Okay.
so these are the things which I am showing you right now. Now, like you if you want to use a sender function, there is another function. Okay,
Swap case also, sir. Swap case.
mhm. Say anything I'm mentioning. There are lots and lots of function now. Actually, I haven't done
Sir, it's the spelling of center.
An argument needs to be passed in the center method.
Sorry for the technical disturbance actually. Okay. I apologize to all.
No, sir. Thank.
Wait. So let me start from the. Okay. So yes. So there is another function like say count function. Okay. Count function which you basically can
Sir, we are
you
doing
can.
center.
Yes,
We are doing
center. Yes,
center.
I know. I was doing center. Center also has an application. Okay, you know,
Okay.
don't need to put much effort on center because center does not come much into play. Which the another function that actually comes into play is count. Okay, so please keep
Okay.
track of the functions which I am basically showing you. Okay, so that whenever you go for higher implementation in Python, you can use it. Okay, like. Say I am declaring any string. Okay, okay, okay. See, count basically what does it do for knowing a particular number of letters. Okay, for knowing a particular letters that you have in a string, you can use this count function. Okay, within this count function you can mention the letter which you want to search for. Okay, with the use of okay, the value name dot count. Okay, and within count you can mention the your the specific letter which actually you want to find out. Okay, you want to go for counting. Here you have 6 A's. Notice. Okay, first 3 A's and then ending with 3 A's at the end. Okay, so total number of A's which are there in this string is 6. So basically you can use this count function for knowing a particular number of letters you have in your hand in a particular string. Okay, so these are the things you want to okay, you want to know. You need to know all this. Okay, another function is there, ends with. See, ends with, what does it do? It checks a particular number of letters which are there in your string or not. Okay, now here you can see that ends with means what? The name itself is actually saying ends with this letter or not. Okay, see, your string is ending with this triple A. Now within this ends with function, okay, I have mentioned the part of the string triple A. Okay, I have mentioned triple A within my ends with function to check whether my string is ending with triple A or not. Okay, and it is returning true. Now see, if I mention, say, the output is coming false, ends with triple B. Okay, triple small b. Now is it true? No, it checks that my letter, the last letters which I am mentioning over here, triple B, it is not coming out true. With context to this particular string, R equals to triple A double C 4 times D and triple A. Okay, in this string, my string is not ending with this triple B. So obviously it will be turning out to be false. So ends with basically gives out the part of the string you want to check that whether it is true or false. For that, you can use this ends with function. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So So these are the things. Yes. So basically, you can find out a hell lot of functions which are there in your Python by using this command. Okay, follow this command very carefully. Especially Orkojit, if you want to, know different types of commands which are there. See, lots and lots of commands are there. You have a lot of commands which are there. You want to use and you want to learn their implementations. You can go in internet and you can find out all. So
Okay, print dir
print,
string. Acha.
yes, you have to use this to find out all the commands. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, lot and lots of things I have used. This add, there are a lot of things, add class contains, like this where you can find out hell lot of things are there. Strip, I have taught you strip, starts with ends with split. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, so up to this today I'm teaching. Now it's almost, yes, it has crossed 8:30. So please take a look of this. And I'm sending you the file, the Word document file. Okay, so solve it. 1 hour's time I'm giving you for solving it, and after that you will send the file in my mail. I have mentioned my mail account. Okay.
Sir, you are sending the Word document to the WhatsApp group or is here?
Yes, I'm sending in WhatsApp group only.
Oh, okay.
Check it out. Yes, check it out and start solving it.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, so I'm stopping this sharing of my screen. Okay.
Santam, did you share them your webmail?
I have mentioned in my Word document. If they open it, they can check it.
No, is that PCS Global webmail correct?
No. It's my personal mail ID.
Do you have PCS Global webmail?
No, I don't have a PCS Global webmail. I have my own mail ID. I'm going to see the things, to see all the assignments that they are doing. Okay.
Better.
Is there
We
any
should not.
problem?
Yes, we should not exchange mails in our personal mail. Better let them post the.
Okay, but then they can
They can
in
post
the
in the
WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
There are two teams.
Okay, guys, you can post
One team will be posting in one group that I will forward in the another group where you are. Okay.
Okay. No issues. I'm there in two groups. I think I'm there in the two groups. Sunit sir had added me in two groups. Okay.
Okay, that means you will get the.
Yes. There will
So
be
let them post in the group.
Yes.
And tomorrow you communicate with Sunitha. You will inform him you need one webmail email ID. Okay.
No, till now it's okay. If sir feels, then sir
No. Exactly the thing is why we are recommending webmail, because just a second. Because in future, if you go to MNC, they'll be directly asking to the mail communication which you are doing with the PCS Global employees or trainees. They will be asking few of the mails, and if they see that you have done exchange from your personal Gmail, so it will be a very critical question for you also, for the organization also.
Okay, sir. I'll communicate regarding this matter with Sunit sir. Every day I have
Yes.
a touch with Sunit sir, so I'll communicate this matter with
Yes,
Sunit sir
yes.
only.
So
Okay.
you just ask him, sir,
I'll
I need a
communicate
webmail as per Somok sir.
Okay.
So please give me one webmail.
Definitely. I'll.
It's very easy. He will
Okay,
create.
definitely. Yes, definitely. I'll talk to Sunit sir regarding this. Meanwhile, they can share the Word documents in the group,
Yes,
in the
yes.
WhatsApp group.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
fine. So I'm sending. Okay, thank you, sir. So I'm sending you the document. So please try to have a check on it and start doing it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, who is this? someone wants to say something.
Yes, sir. Me, Shivam Bharadwaj.
Yes.
Sir, after solving the assignment, we have to give the Word document in the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Just a minute, huh? Wait for 5 minutes. Check your WhatsApp groups. I have sent my document. You can see it. Check out the questions and start doing. Okay. And please post the answers in your WhatsApp group. Okay. With a Word document file. And I'll check it. Did everyone receive? Please notify me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start doing.
Yes, sir.
Everything, all the questions have been given based on your previous discussions from the last two classes. So I hope everyone is comfortable with the questions.
Sir, till when do we have to submit this assignment?
Within 9:30, of course.
But the assignment is too big, sir.
All the questions have been one line, two line answers. Those theory questions are one line, two line based answers. We have given mid-sem within 1 hour. We used to give 30 marks mid-sem within 1 hour's time. Okay, keep on solving the things which you will not be able to solve. So take your time and do it. Okay, fine. Take your time and do it. And all the files must be submitted. So in this way, every day I'll be assessing you guys. I'll be giving you 1 hour's time, okay, for solving this assignment, so that you have a better, exercise with the things that I teach you each and every day, so that you guys stay updated. Okay. So, sir, can I end? Can I leave the session? Because I am done. So, and these students will keep on solving the answers. So, can I end? Can I leave?
Okay, Santon. So I think we don't
I
need
am
this.
done. Yes.
Okay.
So,
So
sir,
Santon,
please take a note of them that they are sending all the files in the WhatsApp group. That's all.
yes, yes. So I think we
Okay.
can close the meeting room right now.
Yes, yes, definitely. You can close the meeting room and let them do the assignments, and I'll check if how many students are there. 21 participants, right? So there must be 21. Yes.
No, 19 will be
Oh,
there.
yeah. Sorry. Apart. Yeah,
Me and
definitely.
he will be
90. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
excluded.
yeah, yeah,
19
yeah.
will be there.
Sorry. 19. Yes, 19 files must be there in both the
Group.
WhatsApp groups. Okay. Okay, fine. Definitely, you can end the meeting over here.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much, all of you.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you.